Struggling marketers, looking for a pandemic-proof solution to make dollars online? Then look no further, because all your struggles are about to end here. The thing is, most of you are missing the one thing you need to make money online in 2020, and that is a world-class product. Yes, a world-class product in a hot niche, solving major problems and delivering solutions most engagingly is your gateway to be a success online. The days of tossing a poorly written 30-page ebook on ClickBank and cashing in are gone. If you try it, you'll be crushed by refunds and bad reviews. And that's why we have made a full-fledged digital video training product on a platform that has taken the whole digital world by storm. WordPress. Yes, WordPress is now the most dominant CMS on the market, standing head and shoulders above the competition with a good chunk of the market share. As a matter of fact, if you count only the CMS-built sites, then about 60% of them are WordPress, and about 37 million global Google searches for WordPress are made every month. Another thing is, due to the pandemic outbreak, more and more people are now drawn towards digital marketing, and due to this, the popularity of WordPress has risen significantly. Hence, it is clear how a complete video training program on this hot topic will affect any business in terms of profits and ROI. At this point, let us tell you a secret. Selling private label rights licenses to quality training programs is one of the strategies top marketers use to consistently generate six-figure paydays year after year. That means, to be a success online, you don't just need to sell a training course which your customer can purchase and gain insightful information, but you need to provide them an extensive private label rights license so that they can also set up an additional income stream for their business by claiming full authorship of the product, edit the contents, and sell it further for pure profits. But there's a problem. To offer private label rights, you must need to create a product yourself. And unfortunately, product creation is not everyone's cup of tea. There's so much involved, like extensive market research, quality product creation, writing a groundbreaking sales page, creating professional graphics, sales page creation, developing and building products, making it download ready. But lucky for you, right on this page, we are offering you a groundbreaking opportunity to get unrestricted private label rights to a high-quality product that will make you go from zero to thousands of dollars in profits in just 4 simple steps. Step 1. Download our ready-for-market product. Step 2. Put your name on it. Step 3. Upload it on your server. Step 4. Make instant sales and keep 100% of the profits. What could potentially take you months of work can now take you just 4 easy steps to complete. Introducing WP Training Kit, HD video training course with unrestricted private label rights. A complete step-by-step WordPress video training with unrestricted PLR opportunity so that you can even sell the private label rights to this package to your customers and maximize your profits. With that being said, let's check out the modules you are going to get inside. Module number 1, 8 step-by-step training videos. Module number 2, professionally written training guide. Module number 3, chapter images. Module number 4, video raw files. Module number 5, audio files. Module number 6, video voiceover script. Module number 7, 10 unique articles bundled into one. Module number 8, cheat sheet. Module number 9, mind map. Module number 10, top resource report. In addition, we are providing you all the required resellers module to help you get going in no time. Module number 11, high converting sales copy. Module number 12, customer sales video. Module number 13, professionally designed graphics. Module number 14, animated banners. Module number 15, professionally created email swipes. Module number 16, professional mini sites. Module 17, legal pages. Now you can turn around and sell this awesome package to anyone you want with PLR license, and you get to keep every cent you make. In addition, we are providing bonuses. Bonus 1, WP Social Widget Plugin. Bonus 2, WordPress Automation Secrets. Bonus 3, WebBloggers Social Media Widget. Bonus 4, WooCommerce Membership Secrets. Bonus 5, WordPress Website Security. Bonus 6, WP Installation Tips and Tricks. Bonus 7, WP Simple Geo. Folks, if you are serious about your business, you will jump at this chance. This is the cost-effective and proven way to shortcut the whole process and get straight to the dollars in your bank account with no product creation, no outsourcing headaches, and no marketing experience required. Everything you need to succeed is in this package at this one-time, ridiculously low price. So hurry up before the price gets double or more than what it is right now. Act now and get instant access to this amazing offer below.